got lost in the rain.
I'm Charles Inya with Channel 3 News. We're out here at Stewart Place where it's going wild, alright? We have gusts of maybe up to 30 miles an hour right now. It's supposed to get much bigger, much greater. It's going to be huge, alright? Now, I want you to take a look around here. I want you to see some of these trees here. As you can see, some of the leaves are already brown from Hurricane Francis. Now, that's going to get worse. We're going to see more brown. We're going to see a lot of brown in the next couple of weeks because we have a major thing. Now, let me tell you something here. Oh, we have Danny, the camera guy, who's having a little problem keeping the camera here. But anyways, what's going on here is incredible. It's incredible. But I want to tell you something, folks. If you're not evacuating, if you're not getting out of here, you're an idiot. All right? You're an idiot. Now we're gonna get out of here and whoa! Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on. All right, look. We're trying to. Hold on. Hold on. Throw me a rope. Throw me a rope. Hey, throw me a rope. We're gonna come back to you soon. I'm Charles Inya, Channel 3 News. We'll see you soon.
We're only about 145 miles away from the southeastern coast there in Florida. Right now it's having very strong winds up to 115 miles per hour. For the strength.
I wish that I could fly into the sky so very high, just like a dragonfly.